Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use two-factor authentication on Afterpay. Now let's get straight into the video. So to enable two-factor authentication, all you got to do is open the Afterpay app or go onto a website with your mobile device or your computer, and then just log into your Afterpay account using your email address and password. And once you're in there, you want to go to the account or settings section of the app or website, and then select security or two-factor authentication to enable two-factor authentication. Now you got to choose your two-factor authentication method. That could be SMS, so text message, or you could use Authenticator app, or you could have it done by email. Now for Authenticator app setup, all you got to do is to download and install an Authenticator app. You could use Google Authenticator, or you could use Audi. You also need to scan the QR code provided by Afterpay to link your account to the Authenticator app, and then you need to enter the verification code that's generated by the Authenticator app to complete the setup. Now for SMS or email two-factor authentication setup, all you need to do is to enter your phone number or email address to receive two-factor authentication codes, and then you receive these codes via SMS or email, and then you just got to enter the two-factor authentication code to complete the setup. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use two-factor authentication on your Afterpay. And I hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.